Can anyone tell me what is chi-square distribution?
नॉर्मल वेरिएट का होल स्क्वायर.
Yes, normal variate का जब हम square कर देते हैं तो the resultant it will follow chi-square distribution. And if there is only a one variable, normal variable, और उसका हम square कर रहे हैं, then what will be the degree of freedom?
मैम 1.
1. And if you are taking the sum of 5 normal square variates, then what will be the degree of
मैम डिग्री
freedom? The
5 हो जाएगी.
degree of freedom will
5.
be 5, 5, yes. All right. Now tell me, okay, we have done the derivation of the PDF of chi-square distribution. Have you tried that? ये कौन ग्रुप पे मैसेज कर रहा है अभी? ठीक है. So now today we will start chi-square probability curve. All right. Okay, what is the shape of the chi-square curve? All right, this we will do. My screen is visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. नहीं. We were doing these cases. I told you that we will do these cases once again on Monday. Now, this was the PDF of chi-square distribution. ठीक है ना? Hello? Hello,
Yes,
am I?
ma'am.
Okay, this was the PDF of chi-square distribution. Now, if we are having n is equals to 1, all right, then we have got this. When we will put n is equals to 1, this is the PDF of chi-square distribution with how many degrees of freedom?
And degrees of.
N degrees of freedom. Now, for different degrees of freedom, we can find the PDF of chi-square distribution by substituting the values of n as depending on the number of degrees we are having. If we are having n is equals to 1, that is the number of that is the degree of freedom is 1, then we will get the value by substituting in this equation n is equals to 1. All right. So when we will substitute n is equals to 1, we will get this 1 upon under root 2 pi x e to the power minus x by 2. If you are having any problem, you can substitute now itself and you can ask me. See, this will become 1 upon 2 to the power half. Gamma 1 by 2 is under root pi and x 1 by 2 minus 1 will be x to the power minus 1 by 2. That is under root x, but it will go into denominator because this is minus half. All right. So we have got this 1 upon under root 2 pi x e to the power minus x by 2. Is it clear? Is it clear how we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
got this? Okay, now when we are taking this, now this you have to do. Substitute the value of n as 2. That is, we are doing now for 2 degree of freedom. What will you get? Please, you have to do this and you have to tell me also. Anyone? जल्दी जल्दी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो n में 2 की वैल्यू. n में 2 रखो, मतलब n की जगह 2. तो what you will get? आया किसी का? Has anyone got the answer by substituting n is equals to 2 in this equation? So we are doing it for 2 degrees of freedom. The PDF, we are finding the PDF for 2 degrees of freedom.
मैम 1/2 raised power half.
हाफ क्यों हो जाएगा 1/2 raised to the power?
मैम 1/2 raised to the
One,
power 1. sorry
हाँ
1.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है फिर.
x की पावर 0 हो जाएगी तो ये 1 हो जाएगा पूरा,
Yes,
और e raised to the power भी 1 हो जाएगा,
yes,
-1.
very, yeah. E raised to the power -1. Okay.
तो वो नीचे
E
आ
raised to the
जाएगा.
e raised to the power -1 क्यों होगा भाई? E to the
ये
power
माइनस,
minus x/2 है ये. x की थोड़ी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे तुम. n
अरे हाँ
x.
मैम वो n लग रहा था, सॉरी.
So what you will get? You will get this as 1/2
1
1 by
√2.
2/2, that is 1 हो गया ये गामा 1 हो जाएगा. x to the power 2/2 minus 1, तो ये चीज तुम्हारी हो जाएगी 1 because it will become x to the power 0 and e to the power minus x/2. All right? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay.
Yes ma'am.
So we have got this as 1/2 e to the power minus x/2. Now this is representing, yeah, this is showing which distribution. Do you remember the PDF of exponential distribution? Do you remember the PDF of exponential distribution? Lambda e to the power minus lambda x. ये होता था where lambda is the parameter. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Lambda or theta e to the power minus
या
theta.
फिर theta e to the power minus theta x. If we are substituting, एक minute. Now if we are substituting lambda as equals to half, then what we will get? 1/2 e to the power minus x/2, है ना? Which is the same as this, है ना?
Yes ma'am.
It means that this is what? This is representing exponential distribution. अरे भैया क्यों इतना आज प्रॉब्लम हो रही है? प्लीज आप लोग जल्दी ज्वाइन करा करिए क्लास, बार बार डिस्टरबेंस होता है. ठीक है? सो दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज योर एक्सपोनेंशियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन विथ पैरामीटर हाफ. तो अगर लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू हाफ हो जाएगा, इट मींस इसका मीन कितना हो जाएगा? 1/1 लैम्डा 2 हो जाएगा. यस, वेरी गुड, 2 हो जाएगा इसका मीन. ओके, now we will do chi-square probability curve. That what is the shape of chi-square probability curve? What are its different characteristics? All right. Now for that, what we will do is this. This is your PDF of chi-square distribution. It means that here okay. So now what we will do is that we will write the PDF of chi-square distribution. It means that X is following your chi-square distribution with n degrees of freedom. So we will write its PDF 1/2 to the power n, 1/2 to the power n/2 gamma n/2 e to the power minus x/2 or x raised to the power n/2 minus 1. All right. Now for finding the finding the probability curve, what we will do is that first we will differentiate it with respect to x. All right. So on differentiating, we will get this फर्स्ट डिफरेंशिएट आप लोग एक बार देख लें कि ये कैसे डिफरेंशिएट किया गया है. अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आई विल टेल यू. फर्स्ट वी विल टेक e टू द पावर माइनस एक्स बाय 2 और फिर हम x n बाय 2 माइनस 1 को डिफरेंशिएट कर देंगे. ठीक है. एंड वी विल गेट the coefficient of this. Then we will take this xn by 2 minus 1 and we will differentiate e to the power minus x by 2. So we will get this. On solving, all right, on solving, we will get this e to the power minus x by 2, x to the power n by 2 minus 1 and 2 to the power n by 2 gamma n by 2, and this is n minus 2 minus x upon 2x. I want to know whether this is clear to you or not.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
All right, so we can say that what is this? E to the power minus x by 2, xn by 2 minus 1, or 2 to the power n by 2 and gamma n by 2. This is your fx. है ना? This is your fx ना? This is the PDF of chi-square distribution. Hello? So we can substitute the value of this as fx in this equation. This is your f dash x. See, this is your f dash x. All right, and this is your fx. So we can get this as n minus 2 minus x upon 2x, and this is fx. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you know that x is greater than 0. है ना? We have done this कि x की value is lies from 0, मतलब x is greater than 0. है ना?
यस मैम.
Okay. इसी तरह से तो बनता है ग्राफ. X is here na, and this is greater than 0. All right, and fx is PDF. So can PDF be negative? PDF, what is PDF? PDF is the probability at a particular point. है ना? So can it be negative?
नो मैम.
Okay, so we know that x and fx will always be positive. है ना? We
Yes,
know
ma'am.
that x and fx will always be positive. So it means that f dash x will be less than 0. This f dash x, when this f dash x will be less than 0. When it can be 0 or less than 0.
इन दोनों में या तो एफ एक्स 0 होगा या एन माइनस 2 माइनस एक्स अपॉन 2x 0 होगा.
हाँ, और fx जो है वो 0, वो less than 0 नहीं होता.
नहीं हो
So
सकता.
it means that f
एन
dash
माइनस
x
2x अपॉन 2x.
n minus 2, ये वाली this
Minus-
term should नहीं, this also cannot, this x can also be not 0.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this it will be less than 0 when your n minus 2 is less than 0. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Then only your function f dash x, that is the differential of the function fx, it will be less than 0. All right, is it clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी.
मैम ये ज़रूरी तो नहीं है कि n माइनस 2 लेस देन 0 हो. लेस देन x होगा तभी तो नेगेटिव आ जाएगा.
क्या मतलब n minus 2 less than?
If n minus 2 is less than x, then also the numerator will be a negative term, right?
Yes, when n minus 2 will be less than x. Yes, it will be अगर मान लो your x is 5 and that is 4 minus 2 6 minus 2. Yes, it can be negative also. If this n minus 2 is such that n minus 2 is less than x, then also we will get this as negative. Okay, I will confirm this, that whether it is n minus 2 is less than equals to 0, or I have written it can also be n minus 2 less than equals to x. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now this implies that chi-square probability curve for 1 and 2 degrees of freedom is monotonically decreasing. Why it will be monotonically decreasing? Because for n is equals to 1 and 2, your this 1 minus 2, if n is equals to 1, then 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and it is less than, this is positive value, so our resultant will also be negative. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Okay. So this implies that chi-square probability curve for 1 and 2 degrees of freedom is monotonically decreasing. Because for that, for such cases, f dash x will be less than 0 and our curve will be decreasing. And when n is greater than 2, so when if our n is greater than 2, then what we will get, f dash x will be greater than 0 if f x is less than n minus 2. All right, and it will be 0 if x is equals to n minus 2, and it will be greater than 0, less than 0 when x is greater than n minus 2. All right. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
जो आप कह रहे थे, what you were asking is that कि it will be greater than 0 if your x is less than n minus 2. Then your f dash x will be greater than 0 because the function is this n minus 2 minus x upon 2x. So if your x is less than n minus 2, see if the value of x is 4, all right, and the value of n is 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2 minus 4 will be 3 upon some 8. So this is a positive value. So if your n minus 2 is less than x, then your f dash x will be positive. All right. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, but if your n minus 2 is less than x, it means that now consider that your n is 1. Then 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. So it will be minus 5 upon 2. So it will be negative. That is why f dash x will be decreasing for n is equals to 1 and for n is equals to 2. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear why we are
Yes,
getting f
ma'am.
dash?
So ultimately, we want the value to be positive.
कोई बोल रहा है, उसकी आवाज कट रही है, प्लीज
Ultimately, we want the value to be positive.
no, we don't want the value to be positive. What we want is to see what will be the shape of the curve. So when n is equals to 1 and 2, the shape of the curve will be decreasing because your f dash x will be 0, less than 0. But as the value of f dash x will it will be greater than 0, then the shape of the curve will be increasing. Are you getting my point? We have to see what will be the shape of the curve.
Yes, ma'am.
So for n is equals to 1 and 2, the shape of the curve will be decreasing, and as the value of this f dash x will become greater than 0, the curve will become increasing. What is f dash x? It gives the slope of the curve, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I want to know whether it is clear to you or not. Hello.
Ma'am, what does the term monotonically denote in a graphical sense?
मोनोटोनिक फंक्शन होता है मतलब कि एक सॉर्ट ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन. ऑल राइट.
ओके.
कहते हैं ना मोनोटोनिक लाइफ हो रही है, मतलब
जी मैम,
हैविंग
बहुत ही
सेम
एक
रूटीन, है ना.
यस मैम.
तो दैट इज सॉर्ट कंटिन्यूअस. इट मतलब फॉर दिस, फॉर इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग वी विल से दैट इट इज कंटिन्यूअसली इंक्रीजिंग और कंटिन्यूअसली डिक्रीजिंग. मतलब एक मोनोटोनिकली का सेंस जो है कंटिन्यूअस की सेंस में है.
मोनिटोनिकली मतलब ये कह सकते हैं ना कि मैम जिस रेट से डिक्रीज होता जा रहा है उसी रेट से कंटिन्यू डिक्रीज होना, मतलब एक ही रेट से सेम रेट से डिक्रीज होता हुआ.
हाँ. So now the shape of the curve is okay. So we can say that n is greater than 2, then fx will be monotonically increasing curve, and for 0 to n minus 2, that is if then it will be monotonically decreasing, and for n minus 2, yes, and for x is equals to n minus 2, it will attain the maximum value. So now you can see the curve. See, when n is equals to 1, then our shape is decreasing. All right. When n is equals to 2, then also the curve is decreasing. And when n is equals to 3, the curve has increased and attains the maximum value, and then it has come down. All right. So for n is equals to, and then for n is equals to 4, the curve will become, it will take the shape like this. All right.
Yes.
Okay. Then, this is the shape of the curve. And for n is equals to 5, it will be like this. And for n is equals to, sorry, n is equals to 6. And for n is equals to 5, it will be like this. So this is the shape of your curve. So as your n increases, for n greater than 1, as x increases, fx decreases rapidly and finally tends to 0 as x tends to infinity. So when your value of n is greater than equals to 1, that is for 1 and 2, as x increases, as the value of x increases, fx decreases and it tends to 0. All right. When x approaches infinity, you are seeing that when x is approaching infinity, the curve is decreasing and its value is coming out to be almost 0. All right.
मैम तो ये एफ एक्स की जगह एफ डैश एक्स नहीं होगा क्योंकि उसका स्लोप होता जा रहा है ना 0.
देखो, हम स्लोप तो हम सिर्फ उसका उसकी मतलब नेचर देखने के लिए फाइंड कर रहे हैं कि व्हाट विल बी द नेचर. कर्व तो हम निकाल, तो हम पीडीएफ का ही तो कर्व फाइंड कर रहे हैं.
यस मैम.
कर्व तो हम पाई स्क्वायर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का ही फाइंड कर रहे हैं ना, तो इसलिए उसके पीडीएफ का ही तो फाइंड करेंगे. वो तो एफ डैश एक्स किस लिए होता है, देखने के लिए कि व्हाट इज द, मतलब कि व्हाट इज द रेट ऑफ स्लोप. ठीक है, कि स्लोप
ओके
किस
मैम.
तरह से
ओके
डिक्रीज
ओके.
हो रहा है या इंक्रीज हो रहा है. For n greater, we कहाँ थे हम? For n greater than 1, the chi-square probability curve is positively skewed. You know what is the meaning of positively skewed?
Skewed to the right
No,
side
ma'am.
of the.
Yes, this is skewed to the right side. ठीक है. Then for n is equals to 2, the curve will meet y-axis at x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0.5. So इसको छोड़ दो, इसका कोई इतना, बस इतना नहीं, इसका इतनी जरूरत नहीं है. तुम इसको, मतलब कि शेप अगर कर्व की डिफाइन करने के लिए आ गई, देन यू विल हैव टू एक्सप्लेन टिल हेयर. All right. So now the next topic is your moment generating function of chi-square distribution. So you know the formula of moment generating function. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So now this is your mxt. When x, this is your x and it follows chi-square distribution with n degrees of freedom. So the formula of mgf says that this is expected value of e to the power tx, or e to the power tx into fx dx. What we will do is that we will substitute the value of fx here. All right.
PDF फॉर्मूला लिख देंगे पूरा
पीडीएफ फॉर्मूला लिख देंगे किसका?
मैम काई स्क्वायर का
काय स्क्वायर का, बिकॉज हमारा x जो है दैट इज योर काय स्क्वायर वेरिएट.
फंक्शन ऑफ काई स्क्वायर
ये तुम्हारा x इज योर काय स्क्वायर वेरिएट, सो इट्स पीडीएफ विल बी दिस fx 1/2 to the power n by 2 gamma n by 2 e to the power minus x by 2 x to the power n minus 2 by minus 1. All right, so now the constant, we'll take the constant terms out and it will become e to the power tx minus x by 2 x to the power n by 2 minus 1. Is it clear how we have got this? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
दिस इज सिंपल, कुछ इसमें ऐसा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, बस ये कांस्टेंट टर्म बाहर ले ली, देन वी आर लेफ्ट विद e to the power tx minus x by 2. This is your e to the power tx minus x by 2, and one more term is there, x n by 2 minus 1, this term. All right, so we have got this. Is it clear? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जी मैम.
Okay, now अब क्या करेंगे? What we can do is to solve this. ये थोड़ा टिपिकल है, तो हम सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर सकते हैं, है ना? As this problem is a bit मतलब difficult, so what we can do is that we can substitute this t x minus x by 2 to some particular value y, then we can solve it. All right. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have done the substitution. We have taken out x common and t minus 1 by 2, and this is xn by 2 minus 1. Or we can also say that 1 minus 2t upon 2. All right. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
This can be written as x. This can be written as x x 1 minus 2t by 2, but a minus sign will come, है ना? Because what it can be written as twice of t minus 1 upon 2. We have taken minus out and we have written 1 minus t twice of t upon 2. All right.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ठीक है, तो it what will be, it e raised to the power कितना हो जाएगा अब? हेलो.
मींस
Hello?
पावर माइनस
Yes, ma'am.
1 minus 2t upon 2
नहीं, जब हम इसको इस इक्वेशन में 1 minus twice of 2t upon 2 into x, we are substituting as equal to y. So what we will get? What this equation will become? E to the power
minus y
e to the power minus y. Yes. And this x will become, what will be the value of x now? 2y upon 1 minus 2t raised to the power n minus 2 minus 1. है ना? This is your x.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So your x to the power n minus 2 minus 1 will be 2y 1 minus 2t to the power n minus 2
n minus
minus
2
1.
minus 1.
And this will be e to the power minus y. This will remain same integration, and the integration will from 0 to infinity. All right. So we can get it as like this: e to the power minus y 2y 1 minus 2 to the power n minus 2 minus 1. Ab now, as this is your x and this is x is equals to what? 2y 1 minus 2t. So when we will differentiate, we will get it as this dx into 1 minus 2t, and this is equals to 2 dy. All right. So in place of value of this dx, we can write 2 dx upon 1 minus 2t. Hello. नहीं समझ में आया तुम लोगों के? देखो ये जो है लिखा क्यों नहीं जा रहा इससे? ओके क्या हो रहा है ये? ओके दिस इज योर e to the power minus y. आ गया समझ में? कैसा आया? x is your n by 2 minus 1. So the value of x is we are getting as 2y 1 minus twice of t to the power n by 2 minus 1. ठीक है? Your x is equals to 2y 1 minus 2t. X is equals to 2y 1 minus 2t. यही है ना x की वैल्यू. When we will differentiate, we will get dx is equals to twice of dy and 1 minus 2t. It means that in place of dx, we will write this value twice of 2 dy into 1 minus 2t. Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Is it clear? Hello?
जी मैम.
तुम लोगों के
Yes,
पास
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
are you having copies and pens?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. The value what we have substituted the value of y. Y is equals to 1 minus 2t upon 2 into x. देख लेना, मैं हो सकता है मैंने कहीं गड़बड़ कर दियो लिखने में. मेरे ख्याल से यही सब्स्टिट्यूट करी थी हमने वैल्यू y की. यही ली है ना?
जी मैम.
ठीक है. तो y is equals to 1 minus 2t upon 2 into x. All right. Now we will substitute the value of y as value of, मतलब जब e to the power ये था तो we will get this as e to the power minus y. x की जगह what we will write? 2y 1 minus 2t है ना, raised to the power n minus 2 minus 1. ये था ना उसमें x to the power n minus 2 minus 1 था ना, तो x is
Yes, ma'am.
2y 1 upon 1 minus 2t raised to the power n minus 2 minus 1, n by 2 minus 1. मेरी टंग स्लिप हो जाती है तो मेरे वर्ड्स के ऊपर ना मतलब थोड़ा सा खुद भी समझने की कोशिश करा करो. जैसे मैंने n by 2 को n अपॉन n minus 2 बोल दिया, तो थोड़ा सा ना मतलब एकदम कुछ खुद भी समझने की कोशिश करा करो. वो कभी कभार एकदम फ्लो में बोलने में ना अपॉन और बाय कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाती है. ठीक है. तो इट विल बी x will be 2y 1 divide upon 1 minus 2t to the power n by 2 minus 1. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this x will be replaced by this 2y upon 1 minus 2t to the power n by 2 minus 1. Now, which is the main thing is that what is your y? 1 minus 2t upon 2 to the power x, or 2y is equals to 1 minus 2t into x, or when we will differentiate it, what we will get? 2 dy is equals to 1 minus 2t into dx. So the value of dx is now, dx will become 2 upon 1 minus 2t into dy. All right? All
Yes,
right. So now what we will do, we will substitute it here. इधर substitute कर देंगे. dx की जगह, in this equation, we will substitute in place of dx this value. What is that? 2 upon 1 minus 2t to the or into dy. So we will get this as e to the power minus y. This is your x, which has become, this is your x, which has become 2y upon 1 minus 2t to the power n by 2 minus 1. And this is the substitution which we have done for dx. That is, this is your dx. All right?
yes, miss, got it.
Okay. Now, as this 1 minus 2t is minus, मतलब इसकी पावर कितनी है? -1, and this one more -1 is there. So this will become +1 and +1 -1. So 1 minus 2t to 1 minus 2t -1 and +1 will be cancelled. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
See, इसको we have broken this 1 upon 1 minus 2t n by 2 minus 1, and this -1, when it has come down, it has become +1.
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be cancelled and we will get this as 1 minus 2t to the power n by 2. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, this is your 2y. This 2y is to the power n by 2 minus 1. Now, what we will do, we will take this 2 outside. All right. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
So, when we will get this 2 outside, we will get 2 to the power n by 2 minus 1. And 1 2 is there with dy. एक 2 इधर भी तो है with dy.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will become +1. So it
2
we
raised
will
to
get,
power n by 2 आ गया ये.
we will get 2 raised to the power n by 2. All right. Now
Yes, ma'am.
there was a 2 raised to the power n by 2 in the denominator also. एक denominator में भी तो है ना 2 raised to the power n by 2. ये है.
Yes, ma'am.
So ऊपर वाला नीचे वाले से it will get cancel.
Yes, ma'am.
Will be cancelled with this. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we will get this as, see, this will cancel by this. One, and this is 1 upon n by 2 e to the power, what we are left with is now e to the raised to the power minus y. Then we have taken out the 2 from this 2y, so we are left with y to the power n by 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2t को हमने पहले ही अलग कर लिया था. So we have, इसको यहाँ पे मैंने लिखना भूल गई हूँ मैं, 1 minus 1 2 to the power n by 2, ये मैंने लिखा नहीं है, इस स्टेप में लिख दिया है, लिखना भूल गई हूँ मैं एक स्टेप में. ठीक है, तो इसको ये मत सोचना कि ये कहीं चला गया. इट इज देयर बट आई फॉरगॉट टू राइट इन दिस स्टेप. I have forgot to write 1 minus 2 to t to the power n by 2 in this step. It is there. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so now we have got this as 1. In this step, I have written again, but in this step, I have forgot. Please, sorry, and इसको आप लोग खुद सही कर लीजिएगा. I forgot to write in this step. All right, 1 upon 1 minus 2t to the power n by 2, 1 upon n by 2, and it is e to the power minus y, y to the power n by 2 minus 1 into dy. All right, we have got this like this. Now, do you remember the that day we have done the PDF, we have talked about the PDF of gamma distribution? Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the PDF of gamma, for your reference, I have again written the PDF of gamma is beta to the power alpha, gamma alpha, x to the power alpha minus 1 into e to the power minus beta x. Alpha and beta are its parameter. So the value of alpha and beta can be different because parameter are different for different cases. Now if your beta is equals to 1 and alpha is equals to n by 2, what we will get? We will get the PDF as 1 upon gamma n by 2 into x to the power n by 2 minus 1 and e to the power minus x. All right? All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to tell me this thing, that if we will integrate the PDF of any function from its entire range, मतलब जितनी उसकी लिमिट है, जो उसकी लिमिट है माइनस इंफिनिटी टू प्लस इंफिनिटी, या जितनी भी उसकी लिमिट है 0 to infinity, अगर हम उसकी पूरी लिमिट में we will integrate it, what will be the value?
1.
Yes, 1. Very good. Because probability किसी भी चीज की क्या होती है? 1 होती है. तो जब हम सारी probabilities को ऐड कर देंगे, we will get 1.
1.
So here, now what we are doing is that we are integrating it over its entire limit, है ना? This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
what? This is the PDF of any variable y which is following which distribution? This y is following which distribution? We have seen that this y is looking like a gamma distribution with parameters as alpha is equals to n by 2 and beta is equals to 1. So this y is following which distribution?
Gamma.
Gamma distribution, yes. So when we are integrating, and this is the PDF of gamma distribution, all right, for variable y. So when we are integrating it over its entire limit, that is from 0 to infinity, we will get this value as 1. All right. So now our PDF will become mxt is equals to 1 minus 2t to the power minus n by 2. What will be, what is left now? What is the value of mxt now? Hello? What is the value of mxt now? Moment generating function की वैल्यू कितनी बची है अब?
मैम एक बार दोबारा रिपीट कर दीजिएगा अपना क्वेश्चन आप.
मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन की वैल्यू mxt की वैल्यू कितनी बची है अब? See, this is the PDF of gamma distribution and we are integrating it from its entire over its entire range from 0 to infinity. So we are getting its value as
1.
1. So what is the value of mxt now? What is the value
Ma'am, 1
of
upon, ma'am, 1 upon 1 minus 2t
to the power?
n by 2.
Yes.
ये गामा n by 2 भी इंक्लूड हो गया है क्या मैम?
गामा n by 2 तो उसमें चला गया ना, इसके पीडीएफ में चला गया ना गामा n by 2 तो
1 हो गई वो
PDF
तो पूरी वैल्यू.
वो तो पूरी, ये जो 1 अपॉन गामा n by 2.
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ यस मैम.
ओके, दिस इज योर पीडीएफ. इतना जो पीडीएफ है आपका, सॉरी, इसका जो इतना पीडीएफ है, इतना 0 से लेके इंफिनिटी तक 1 अपॉन n by 2, वो 1 अपॉन गामा n by 2 e to the power minus y into y to the power n by 2 minus 1. This is the PDF of gamma distribution with parameters as alpha is equals to n by 2 and beta is equals to 1. So the PDF, when it is integrated over its entire range, we will get the value as 1. So this function, this whole has become 1. We are now left with only 1 upon 1 minus 2t to the power n by 2 or 1 minus 2t to the power माइनस n बाई 2, अगर हम इसे न्यूमरेटर में ले जाएंगे. ऑल राइट, ऑल राइट.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
यस मैम.
ओके, सो दिस इज क्लियर टू यू, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो कि शायद कर्व बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया हो, क्योंकि कर्व जो है मैंने थोड़ा शॉर्ट में लिखा है, इतना एक्सप्लेन करके नहीं लिखा. तो कर्व, ये जो प्रोबेबिलिटी कर्व होता है, तो वो मैं तुम्हें दोबारा कल को पढ़ाऊंगी. ठीक है. हेलो.
ओके मैम.
ये जो
Okay, ma'am.
कर्व है ना, ये प्रोबेबिलिटी कर्व, ये मैंने बुक से लिखा, शायद वो इतना मतलब लिमिटेड रहा, वो तुम लोगों को मुझे नहीं लगा इस वक्त के समझ में ढंग से आया है, इसलिए वो मैं कल को दोबारा एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. ऑल राइट.
ओके मैम.
ओके, सो नाउ यू कैन लीव द क्लास एंड यू कैन सेंड मी द अटेंडेंस.
एक्सक्यूज मी
थैंक यू
मैम.
मैम.
जी बताइए.
मैम क्या सेशनल की डेट डिसाइड हुई?
हाँ, सेशनल आपको नेक्स्ट वीक देना है ना, मंडे में.
मंडे मतलब मैम 12th को?
12th में या 10th में, मैंने बोला था 10th में 12th में, आप लोग डिसाइड करके तो बता दीजिए मुझे, 10th में देंगे या 12th में देंगे, बेस्ड ऑन योर यूनिट 1.
मैम सैटरडे या
मैम
फ्राइडे तो.
कभी भी रखो, मतलब लेकिन 12 तारीख तक रख लो.
ओके मैम.
ओके. ऑलराइट, मुझे बस लेकिन एक दो दिन में बता दो ताकि फिर मैं भी रेडी रहूं. और तुम लोग सब गूगल क्लासरूम पे हो?
जी मैम.
जी मैम.
ठीक है, तो ओके, गूगल क्लासरूम पे सब लोग अपना अकाउंट बना दें, और जिन मतलब अकाउंट तो सबका होगा ही जीमेल पे, गूगल क्लासरूम ज्वाइन कर लें.
ओके मैम.
अगर अगर नहीं है किसी का जीमेल पे अकाउंट, तो वो भी बना ले और गूगल क्लासरूम ज्वाइन कर ले. शायद डिपार्टमेंट से भी कुछ डिपार्टमेंटल आईडी वगैरह मिली है ना उसके लिए. खैर जो भी है, तुम लोग क्लासरूम ज्वाइन कर लेना. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. You can leave the class.